Some people think that once they have drafted and funded their living trust, everything is done. And in a sense, it is done, at least from the standpoint of the person who created the trust. But it's important to point out that after the trustor, which is the person who created the trust, passes away, trust administration must be completed by the successor trustee named in the trust. And make no mistake about it, there are lots of things that need to be done. So what kinds of things am I talking about? Well, the responsibilities and duties that are required of a trustee to administer a trust are similar to the duties that a personal representative takes on when appointed to that position by a probate court. For instance, a successor trustee must give notice to beneficiaries, file tax returns, properly appraise, inventory, as well as manage the trust assets, pay off creditors, and ultimately make distributions to the beneficiaries. In the process of carrying out these duties, though, the successor trustee must look to the trust document itself and see what it specifically requires. Every trust is different and as such requires different procedures. Failure by the successor trustee to adequately carry out these duties might have devastating consequences on an estate plan. It is therefore extremely important that your successor trustee know that they must act after you pass away. Still, generally a successor trustee will carry out his or her duties with the help of an experienced estate planning attorney, so you needn't be too concerned with their level of sophistication. Even though there are many duties for the trustee to carry out, trust administration is generally a lot less expensive as well as easier than probate. Moreover, trust can be structured to suit your family's exact needs both personally and from a tax planning perspective. Without a doubt, most of the time, the effort to set up and administer a trust is well worth its cost. To find out more information about administering a trust, please schedule a free appointment here at the Trustor.